Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a full backup on Windows operating system. Let's start by accessing the backup tool. Click on the start menu and type control panel. Select control panel from the search results. Next, click on system and security and then select backup and restore Windows 7. Don't worry about the name. It works perfectly on Windows 10 and 11. Now click on Setup Backup on the right hand side. Here, choose the drive where you want to save your backup. Here, this drive does not have enough space to store a system image, so I'll go for F drive. I recommend using an external hard drive or a network location for more security. Once selected, click Next. Next, you will decide what to back up. You have two options. So let Windows choose. This will help you to back up your document as well as it creates a system image, where the next option will allow you to select specific files, folders and drives. If you prefer to select manually, tick the boxes for the files and drives you want to backup. Make sure to include the system image uh, option if you want a complete copy of your Windows installation. Once you have made your selection, click Next. And you will see a summary of your backup settings. If you want regular backups, click on Change Schedule to set up automatic backups daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose a convenient time, then click OK. Finally, click Save Settings and Run Backup to start the process. The backup process will begin. Depending on the size of your files, this may take some time. Make sure your computer stays on and the backup drive remains connected. Once the backup is complete, you can verify it by clicking Manage Space. And that's it. You have successfully created a full backup of Windows operating system. Remember to backup regularly and store your backups in a safe place. Like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.